The next project is called IFeL, or the Immersive Festival Live, the remote presence at scale. And it is the magnificent return of immersive, interactive, spatial audio projects that have been evolving over the accelerators over many, many, many years. And I'd love to welcome to the stage once again Rich Welsh from SMPTE. Huge round of applause for Rich. And also Luke Parwall from Reality Hack MIT. Another round of applause, not only for this wonderful outfit that you're going to be wearing, so you'll be easy to find on pitch 10. Take it away, boys.
Okay.
All right, I've got some cool shit for you now.
I'm Rich Welsh.
And I'm Luke Parwall.
And this is our pitch for the Immersive Festival Live, remote presence at scale.
And, oh, doesn't work? Oh, no. No. Try it.
No.
We have technical issue.
I'm a woman in tech.
Oh, it works. Yeah, okay, MIT, it's really hard with technology. What we present to you, we try to address a real problem. We want to lift that guy off the couch. This is not everybody, but certainly there is a part of the audience that feels exactly like that. They are bored to death with the current mode of delivery, which is 2D, with limited audio, mono stereo. There is limited innovation, and it's been going on for years and decades this way. Of course, the mode of delivery has changed to different devices, but essentially, it is the same thing. So on the other hand, on the far end, we have 3D solutions like emerging social VR. However, those are really not well integrated with existing live shows and live festivals. So that's a challenge. And standalone solutions cannot basically provide the same dynamics. We cannot feel as present as we are in a live show.
And there obviously have been different opportunities to experience these types of event in VR, but there isn't really a usable blueprint. Oh no, I need water. Why is this not working? This is meant to be on this mic. Okay, yeah, it is working. Yeah, okay. It's my voice, it's not the microphone. No, I do, I need some water. Yeah, so what we want to do is create a reusable blueprint that allows us to do this at scale and prevent the kind of loss of ROI that comes with just having to do these things as a first-time experiment every time.
Okay, now I'll speak because his voice is out. So definitely we want to put together a lot of different components here, and the whole magic is all about the composition of individual technological components. So we have ultra-high definition streaming live in 180, 360 stereoscopic, and we will see further how our partners address that. We have spatial audio in sync, again, immersive, binaural, object-based in sync. That's a major innovation to have it in sync at incredible low latency and high bandwidth, and then combined with two-way presence. That's a completely new component. We want it to be interactive and using the bleeding edge of AR and VR technologies to deliver that live at low latency.
And we want to make it accessible. We want to make it a seamless experience for people, both in real life at the concert, experiencing the AR component of this, which we'll talk about in a moment, and also for the people experiencing it in VR at home or wherever they're getting their content. So it's accessible by design, so it's going to give you that kind of seamless experience where you can be either on the stage or backstage or actually there in the audience. And with that in mind, what we want to do is have multi-perspective capture, so that it will be 180 or 360 VR, preferably stereoscopic, definitely UHD, high dynamic range. And it's not just about VR or AR at the consumer end, it's also about people actually at the concert being able to also participate with the kind of the ghosts of the audience that aren't there. And even the artists as well, being able to see the virtual presence, the people who are there participating from home.
So, and of course that has to go in sync and real time, and there's all the challenges mentioned by also other projects, so high throughput, high bandwidth, low latency, and it all has to work together. And on the far end we have the emerging bleeding edge immersive technologies. We all know this year has been revolutionary with the uptake of the AR and AI glasses, and will be only more. Pretty much all the companies have many models in their pipeline, so 2026 will be transformative in this space, and we want to jump immediately into it straight away.
So the champions are, of course, us, Simpty and Reality Hack at MIT. And we've also got King's College London and University of Galway on board. We're in discussion with Coachella, which we're super excited about. And that represents a great opportunity for us because not only is it obviously an incredible live event to be able to bring to a virtual audience, but also we have some participants who are already going to be there present at Coachella, for instance, in the immersive space and even in the robotics, so capture of live event in a more traditional way on stage. So that includes some of our other participants.
Yeah, and of course we invite all the partners that are present in 5G and networking technologies, infrastructure. These are all essential components for this to work at low latency. And we also talk to providers of emerging bleeding-edge AR, VR technologies like X-Ray. We're also talking to Snap and other partners, and it's only growing. So these are our partners, and you're all invited to join this very applied project, so pretty much everything is fitting here.
And a shout out to Shure, of course, as one of the sponsors and also involved in this project for the microphones.
And we have a few more things. So at the end, what we want to provide is, we don't want to replace live TV. It's not going away. It's there and it will be innovated in many ways presented today. But we want to extend this offering to provide new premium remote ticket that people can just experience a bit more. You know, 75% of what you feel real will be delivered digitally. And we want a real use case, real deployment, something that works in festival. That's why I mentioned Coachella would be one of our goals here.
And we want the reusable blueprint so that you can all go out and do it for yourselves, and we'll make all the mistakes for you so you can do it without fear in the future. And we want to...
The last bit is basically we want to show you, seems like a future, but that's something we can actually deliver with the technology of today. Technology is out there, so let's put it all together and make it happen. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.